Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to make a GitHub repository. So this is my GitHub page. So first of all, click here, then your repository, then make a new repository. So write a name here. Here I will give project first, then make it public and add a readme file as well. Create a repository. Now here you can see your repository has been created. Now click here code, copy this URL. Now back to your folder, make a new folder. Now right click on that folder, open a git bash. Here write a command git clone and paste that URL previously you have copied. Enter. Now back to your folder. Here you can see your repository has been created. Now here I have to add my project file. So for that I pick any of my project and copy the project files. Here I copy my project file. Now back to your Git dashboard. Here ls. Now all the project file in project first, so I need to go there. So cd project first. Now ls. Here you can see my all project file contain in project first. So first write a command git status. So here my all three file till now has not been uploaded yet. So for write a command, basically GitHub repository contain a three phase. First phase you have to add, then second commit, and last one to push on main origin. So my first step is add all the my pages on GitHub. So for that git add -- all. Now again I check git status. Here you can see all the project file has been uploaded. Now my second step is git commit -m and give the name whatever you want. So I give first commit. Enter. Now my third step is push all that file into main origin. So first I need which origin I am working currently now. So for that git branch. So here my branch is main. So now write git push origin main. So here I need to sign my GitHub. So here you can see all the project file has been uploaded successfully. Now get back to your GitHub, refresh the page, and here you can see all my project file has been uploaded. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.